Spices and sauces go together like bourbon and Aperol. What, you never had a paper plane before? All right, we're in business. Ooh, if this ain't satisfying, I don't know what is. You know, ginger is one of the most utilized spices in the world. Is there a spice named Marianne? Voila! Damn! Okay, little apples of my eye. You're gonna chill in the fridge for a bit. Fresh cinnamon. Doesn't it smell great?